Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open up an FHSA on Scotiabank. An FHSA is designed to help eligible individuals save for their first home while benefiting from potential tax advantages, making it an important option for future homeowners. Let's jump right in. First, open the Scotiabank app and log in to your account. Once you're on the Home tab, scroll down toward the bottom of the screen until you see the Investments section. From there, tap on Start Investing. You'll then be redirected to the Discover Investing section of the app. Here, you'll see several investment options displayed. Under the Featured section, scroll down past options like the TFSA until you find First Home Savings Account, or FHSA. Once you see it, tap on Get Started. This will take you to a page where you can learn more about the FHSA. At the top, you'll find an overview explaining what the account is, how it works, and any special offers that may apply. You can scroll through this section to better understand the benefits and features of the plan before proceeding. As you continue scrolling, you'll see different ways to open the FHSA. You may have the option to work with a guided investor through Scotia Smart Investor, book an appointment to speak with someone in person or remotely, or choose a self-directed approach through Scotia iTrade if you prefer to manage your investments on your own. If you decide to open the account yourself, simply select the appropriate Get Started option and follow the on-screen instructions that appear next. Opening the right savings account for your first home is an important financial step, so it's always a good idea to review the details carefully and choose the method that best fits your comfort level and investment goals. And that's it. That's how you open an FHSA using the Scotiabank app. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.